was a little warmer out there. We did warm things up, a little bit of melting. And of course, then Mother Nature sees that we're enjoying it, and so it throws a little more snow at us. And that's what we have going on this evening. It's the reason it's a weather alert day. Snow is going to be arriving, and it may slow the evening drive down a bit, so be careful about that. And we'll see some slippery roads overnight tonight. Doesn't look like a real huge issue, but the timing is not great. You get out towards Worcester, a few flakes in the air, but that's about all. And most of it is to the west of the city. Still 34 degrees with a south breeze right now at about 8 miles an hour. But look at that dew point. It's way down at 8 degrees. So even though it may be snowing up here in the clouds, it drops into that dry air, and it really basically evaporates before it even gets to the ground. In Boston, it looks like it should snow, but the snow is still quite a ways off there. It's going to take a couple hours before it gets here. 31 degrees right now with a light breeze off the ocean at this point. So there's the band of snow, and notice where a lot of this is. It's up to the north. We're kind of on the southern fringes of this one, and you see how the leading edge looks like it's moving into Worcester right now, but this is kind of staying aloft. You have to get into the darker blues to actually see snow touching the ground. We've also got this little area up here towards Portsmouth and Rochester, so if you're going up 95, you might run into a little snow shower there as well. But the main event is really off here to the west. Westfield's got some snow going on right now, and you can see how it hasn't really quite made it into Worcester just yet. So this line will push its way eastward. I would say arriving in Boston sometime after about 6 o'clock tonight. So the commute is still okay. If you're a late commuter, you might be running into some snow out there. And then overnight tonight, the snow kind of settles in. This is around 11 o'clock tonight. And then by about 2, 3 o'clock, we're kind of wrapping it up. And notice down to the south, just warm enough that we might have a little drizzle, maybe a little freezing drizzle mixing in with this one. So be careful about that. Untreated surfaces could get a little bit icy out there. But frankly, there's a lot of treatment on the roads already from the snow we've had lately. So this is 1 o'clock in the morning. By about 3 o'clock in the morning, it's gone. You wake up tomorrow morning. It is going to be fairly mild compared to what it's been lately. A little bit of sunshine out there. Not a bad start to your day. As the day goes on, there'll be a few clouds kind of rolling in. Can't rule out a flurry, but for most of us, it is going to be a dry day. And if you're speaking of flurries, really on Thursday, there might be a little bit of this out toward the coast where we might have a flurry or two kind of floating by. But again, no big storms on the horizon that way. That's why I say Boston about 2 to 4, perhaps a little bit more, especially getting to Essex County. I would hold that 6 off, probably somewhere up around Manchester or Concord, New Hampshire. So for tonight, we have that weather alert in place. Snow will be arriving. Maybe some spotty freezing drizzle, especially south. Lows tonight 22 inland to 32 degrees closer to the Cape. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny with some afternoon clouds, but a mild day, 36 to 40 for your high temperature tomorrow. And if we get 40 tomorrow, it'll be the first time in 19 days. You have to go back to January 22nd to find a day where we hit 40 degrees. 40 is going to feel awful warm compared to what we've been through lately. It does cool down a little bit. As I mentioned, some coastal flurries on Thursday and Friday. Not as cold as we just went through, but still temperatures like generally into the mid-30s. We'll see a few clouds coming through here on Saturday. Sunday is still looking dry. And then there's this storm on the horizon on Monday. Yesterday, we had one computer model that was saying, oh, we might get a pretty big storm out of that. That computer model, the European right now, is saying this thing is tracking more offshore. Certainly something we're going to keep a very close eye on for Monday of next week. But as of right now, does not look like it's going to be playing a significant part of our forecast. Ben and Jessica?